What's up, YouTube? Today I wanted to discuss the right to repair bill in Massachusetts and where we're at in terms of progress. So right now, the short story is we have less than 2 weeks to get this bill out of the committee that it's stuck in. If this bill does not exit this committee, it's dead. We have to wait till next session before we reintroduce it. So this is it. This is the final push. Everything we've been working for, this is the time that we need to kind of put it into overdrive to get it out. So what does it mean when it's stuck in a committee? A bill, when it's introduced, can be referred to certain committees that are more focused on what that bill entails. In the committee that this bill is in is the Consumer Protection and Professional Licensure Committee. So for this bill to move out and to be voted on, it must leave the committee. And what the right to repair lobbyists are doing, like MASSPIRG, Nathan Proctor, they're hosting calls to action, and they're trying to just get shop owners and consumers to spread the word to kind of, give a push to their politicians to emphasize how important this bill is and why we need it to just get out of the committee and we need it to be voted on. So, we emphasize the fact that most Massachusetts residents, it was 70% or something like that, voted for the right to repair bill, the automotive one, 2 times. So it was introduced the first time we voted on it, over 70% was in favor. And then the second time, because the first one had a loophole in it that, of course, the manufacturers were exploiting, we had to close that loophole with the second bill. And again, more than 70% voted in favor of that. Now, those were ballot initiatives. This is different because it's not a ballot initiative. The people directly aren't voting on it. So we have to get our politicians to vote on it. So MASSPIRG and their affiliates hosted a call to action. And what a call to action is you basically round up people who have expressed interest in getting this bill through, and you organize them in a way to spread the word towards the people, the general public, and towards the politicians, the representatives, to help get this bill passed, or try to inform people about this bill and the importance of this bill. So in this call to action, they sent an email out to 77 repair shops, and only 3 repair shops responded and joined this call to action. I was one of them, obviously. So that kind of sucked. That was a little bit disheartening that, we have at least 77 repair shops in Massachusetts who would be directly affected by this right to repair bill, and none of them could even show up for 5 minutes. And look, I get it. I understand. I run a repair shop by myself. I've run a repair shop since 2015 by myself. I'm busy 10 to 6 every single day, except for the weekends that I take off. And I understand. I'm putting out fires all day. It's mentally exhausting. Every single day, there's a repair that needs to be done yesterday. And I get it. It wears you down, and a lot of repair shop owners become bitter. It's a common thing in the IT industry where you just get worn down. So I can't really blame them too much for not showing up to this hearing. But, fuck, man. I don't want to be that guy that said, I told you so, when your shop goes out of business because Apple released an unrepairable phone. And I don't want to be the shop that goes out of business because Apple released an unrepairable iPhone. So anyways, in this call to action, what we did was write letters to our local newspapers, and I should say our state newspapers, about why the right to repair bill means so much to us and what it means for the consumers. My letter, which I'll show up on the screen right here, got published in the Lowell Sun, which is a newspaper that covers the Lowell area, which is a pretty big city in Massachusetts, one of the largest cities that we have in Massachusetts. And I'm happy that it got published. It's helped spread the word. Any way I can spread the word to people who otherwise wouldn't know how this repair bill affects them, it makes me happy. They did typo the word university, which I kind of thought was funny, but Anyways, what are the next steps for us? So Tuesday, I'm meeting with my representative, Senator Joan Lovely, the same senator that I did the interview with on my YouTube channel that you can check out somewhere over there. Where I don't know YouTube that well yet. But I have a meeting with her, and I plan on discussing the same things that I really discussed last time. But I'm going to emphasize the importance of getting this bill out of the committee, and hopefully, she can help with that. That's the goal. So I'm really hoping that other repair shops or consumers will help with this final push. And I'm kind of scared, to be honest, that if this bill doesn't pass and we have to wait another session, it just sucks, But it is what it is. This is politics. This is how it goes. And I advise and I encourage anybody who lives in Massachusetts that watches this video. I don't think many people will watch this video because it seems like right to repair videos, just they don't get clicks, whatever. But if you do live in Massachusetts and you do watch this video, please just contact your representatives. A quick 30-second letter, you know what I mean? Just saying how important this bill is to you and why it's important for it to get out of the committee, and if they can help get it out of the committee. That's it. That's all I ask from this video. So for everybody else, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Sorry for not making too many videos lately. I have been just super, super busy at the shop. For some reason, it's just like my busiest 2 months that I've ever had, which I'm not complaining about. But again, it's exhausting running a repair shop by yourself. You have no idea unless you do. And then you feel me. Alright guys, thanks. So let me know what you think in the comments. All that good stuff. Outro, rock music, hip-hop music, whatever. No, not dubstep. Dubstep sucks. Dubstep sucks.